How to perform a verification on NineFocus. Welcome to this video, where you'll learn everything that you need to know about verification of a pH sensor on NineFocus. As you can see, the pH sensor is mounted on easy place. The meter is connected to both the sensor and the stirrer, making it ready for use. Next, we'll create a new verification method. Pull down the method list and click on New. Then select Verification of Single Sensor. Let us name this method Verification of NineFocus. To create a new verification method, let's navigate to the sequence. When you click on Verification, you can adjust the verification criteria. Make sure that the verification criterion is 0.05 pH. Let's also add a stir function. To do this, click on Edit Sequence. Then press the plus icon before the verification and access the available method function. From the options, choose the stir method. Here you'll also select Stir Fixed Duration and select the appropriate stirrer. And set the stir duration to 6 seconds. The stirrer speed should be 30%. Finally, choose the option Continuous Stirring After Method. Set the speed to 20%. Choice of buffers. Now let's select the correct buffer data. In our case, the calibration used buffers 4.01, 7.00, and 9.21. The verification buffer should fall between these values, so we'll choose buffers 5.00 as number 1 and buffer 8.00 as number 2. After making these selections, the changes are saved to create a task. Next, we'll start the verification. Confirm the sensor cleaning reminder. Open the bottle containing the buffer carefully and pour some of the buffer into a beaker with a magnetic stirring bar. Next, the pH sensor is immersed in the buffer solution with the junction covered with the buffer. Note that the stirring starts and continues for 6 seconds. Then the pH is measured while the buffer is still stirred. The pH measurement is displayed on the screen, followed by the sensor cleaning reminder. Thoroughly rinse the sensor with distilled water and dab it dry. Open the bottle containing the buffer with pH value 8.00. Pour some of it into the beaker with a magnetic stirrer. Next, the pH sensor is immersed in the buffer solution with the junction covered with the buffer. The sensor cleaning reminder is confirmed. The sample is stirred for 6 seconds. Then the pH is measured while the buffer is still stirred. After the last measurement, the verification overview appears, indicating whether the results passed or failed the previously set verification criteria. By pressing OK, the results can be confirmed and the meter is ready for the next pH measurement. If you would like to learn more about NineFocus, make sure to check out the other videos.